going on, guys? We're Custom Offsets. We got the show trailer set up again, and this time we're at home. Behind us, we got a lot of cool stuff. Cboys are here. It's getting rowdy. Let's take a look what we got. Flare. I don't know if they did that for proper sound tuning or what, but 2 into 3, back into 2.
It's gonna be so sick. All done.
That sounds really good.
They're supposed to do that. It's a mini truck.
Way out there?
You gotta get the money shot.
Dude.
You need anything to water? Back row?
Alright guys, that's a wrap on the show. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, all over the socials to see where we're going to be next, and let us know in the comments where you want to see it. Peace.